Oh, have we developed any form for this yet in the forms.py file? We haven't developed any form for this yet. Let's first create a form for this in the forms.py file. Okay, let's create a class called newProductForm and pass the forms.modelForm parameter inside the parentheses as usual. Before moving forward, let's first import our product model class. For my convenience, I am copying the above field and its properties and paste it under the newProductForm class. I copied this because the form properties of the service form and the properties of the product form are almost the same. Now let's see which field properties can be added to this form from the product model class. Here we will only consider the price and product name fields, where we will auto-set the client ID. Here I replaced service name with product name and replace amount with price. Okay, now we need to change the placeholder text. Here I will write enter price in the placeholder. And for the next line, write product name. Now we need to define the meta class. Now assign the model class as usual. Here the model will be the product class. Now define the fields. Here, I want to put the product name field first in the form and then the price field. So first I will put the product name in the array and then the price. Now we need to write the init function where we will set the client's ID through the keyword argument. Since I did the same thing for the service form, I copied the code block from there. This code block basically works in 4 steps. Step 1, Initialization method. The init method initializes a new object. Step 2, args and quargs. These are used to pass a variable number of arguments and keyword arguments to the method. Step 3, Extracting client, extracts the value of the keyword argument client from quargs and assigns it to self.client. Step 4, calling the superclasses init, calls the initializer of the superclass, passing along any remaining args and quargs. Now let's go back to the views file again. The first thing we need to do is import our new product form class. So, import it. Now let's implement the functionality for the new product form. So, after checking the post method in the if statement, let's define an object reference for new product form called form. This is where we will get and assign the current client's ID.